Welcome to Cooking with ABC 13, David Nuno, joined by my mom, Beba Nuno. Mom, we're about to have a traditional Spanish dish, Arroz Con Pollo.
Exactly.
This is something we have all the time at our house. I would say once a month at least growing up we would have this, maybe even more than that.
Pour the olive oil, 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
We're going to add the onions, bell pepper. You can add the garlic.
All right.
1 teaspoon. And let it cook for a little bit.
We want to do this until the onions are soft, right?
Exactly. You can add the chicken that's already been cooked.
Goya salt, of course. A little adobo action.
Yes.
Great flavor right here. I want to eat it now. It smells so good. It wouldn't be arroz con pollo, then it would just be
Would just be pollo.
All right, so now this has been sauteing for a while, so we're going to add most of the water.
Right.
All right, about 1.5 cups.
Let's add the seasoning from the Goya packet, okay?
This will add the flavor to it, okay?
Add the rice.
So now I'm going to stir it for a moment, wait for it to come to a boil, and then cover it for 20 minutes, right?
Right. And then it's ready to go.
Bam, shazam.
Oh, this looks excellent.
This is my masterpiece. Here you go, Mom.
This is good.
This is the best I've done,
Yes.
right? All right.
Yes.
All right, Arroz Con Pollo, the Goya box had all the ingredients we needed, the seasoning, you name it, and now I'm going to finish up the bowl.
Okay.
All right, Mom? This is for me.
There's more.
There's plenty more. All right.